We have breaking news. If you have a Visa or Mastercard logo on your debit or credit card, stores can now decline your cards and banks aren't telling you why. Listen closely. If you have any Visa or Mastercard in your wallet, very soon you may walk into a store, swipe your card, and the screen flashes declined. Not because you're out of money, not because your bank froze your account, but because the store chooses not to accept that card anymore. Yeah, you heard that right. Yes, stores may soon reject your Visa or Mastercard even if you've been using it for years. But the question is why? Because Visa and Mastercard just got hit with a $38 billion settlement that flips the power dynamic upside down, giving the stores the right to pick and choose which cards they accept and which ones they ban.
New settlement in the works between some major credit card companies and merchants that accept those cards could change what fees you pay and whether you can even use what's in your wallet to make that purchase.
And trust me, that tiny logo on your card is about to determine whether you can shop or whether you get publicly embarrassed at checkout. So in today's video, I'm breaking down which stores may stop taking your Visa or Mastercard, which types of cards are most likely to be rejected, which card might cost you more to use even if it works, how this affects groceries, gas, travel, restaurants, online shopping, and how to avoid the new fees and awkward declines before they hit. Because this is truly the biggest credit card shakeup in 3 decades, and almost nobody understands how extreme this is about to get. So buckle up, because what I'm about to show you is going to change how you shop for the rest of 2025. So let's go ahead and jump right into it and talk about what the $38 billion settlement actually means. For over 30 years, Visa and Mastercard forced stores into a rule. If you take a Visa, you must take a Mastercard too. Stores hated that. But why? Because both companies kept raising interchange fees, aka swipe fees. The fees stores pay every time you swipe. Grocery stores, gas stations, mom and pops, they were drowning in these fees. So merchants fought back in court, and after 3 decades, they won. Listen to what I just said, after 3 decades. That's how long this court case actually took. Now stores can legally say, we take this Visa card, but not that Visa card. We accept MasterCard, but not premium MasterCards. We don't accept Visa at all, or we don't accept MasterCard at all. It's like airlines suddenly deciding which passengers they want to carry. Same card network, totally different rules. This is truly unprecedented. Now let's talk about why stores might reject your card specifically, because here's the twist. Not all cards are created equal. Some cards cost stores way more to process. Examples: Visa Infinite, Visa Signature, MasterCard World, MasterCard World Elite, premium travel credit cards, and premium reward cards. These are the cards that come with perks like airport lounges, cash back, travel credits, extended warranties. But guess who pays for all those perks? The merchant, not the bank, not Visa, not MasterCard, the store. So when you swipe a premium card, stores lose money. Now they have the power to say, no thanks, it's too expensive, not accepting that card anymore. Imagine buying groceries and you pull out your shiny rewards card and the cashier says, sorry, we don't accept that level of Visa anymore. Boom, declined, not your fault. Not your bank's fault, just straight up not accepted. And it's about to happen more than you think. Now let's talk about new credit card surcharges that are coming. This is the part that nobody's prepared for. Now that stores can separate card types, they can also create different surcharges. Basic Visa plus 2%, Visa Signature plus 3.5%, Visa Infinite plus 4%, MasterCard World Elite plus 5%, and yes, I just said it, 5%. That means your $100 purchase could quietly become $105 just because of the type of card you use. So what will happen is you will start to see credit card fees, premium card fee, a processing surcharge, restaurants, stores, nail salons, mechanics, delivery services, everyone's going to be doing this. People already struggling with inflation, this is going to crush them, but we're just getting started. So we gotta ask the question, why is this happening right before the holidays? You think this timing is random? It's not. It's because it's holiday season. Because the holiday season equals highest swipe volume of the entire year. Most Americans won't notice a $2.30 surcharge here, a $1.75 fee there, but multiply that across gifts, groceries, travel, restaurant, decorations, holiday parties, you're looking at hundreds added to your holiday budget without you even realizing it. Retailers know this, and they're rolling out the new rules right when customers are least likely to complain. And you gotta understand that debit cards are not the magic solution. People online are already shouting, just use debit, avoid the fees. Hold on. Debit cards do come with lower merchant fees, but they come with a major risk. If your debit gets skimmed, hacked, cloned, or stolen, fraudsters drain your actual money, not your credit line, your bank account. That's what they get a hold of. Credit cards have zero liability protections, fraud buffers, delayed transaction posting, and chargeback rights. Debit cards do not. If someone hits your debit card, your cash is gone instantly. You're fighting the bank to get it back while bills bounce. Debit cards solve one problem and create another. And here's the part that nobody's talking about. Even cash isn't safe anymore because the penny is effectively gone. And when cash transactions round up or down, round up, you pay more. Round down, the store loses money. And this is exactly why stores hate dealing with cash entirely. Some even stopped accepting it. So now you're entering a world where premium cards, rejected or extra fees, debit cards equal higher fraud exposure, cash equals rounding issues or not accepted, basic credit cards equal new surcharges. Everything is getting more expensive no matter which direction you go. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Tanya. Tanya's credit score went up 289 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Christian's credit score went up 366 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And let's not forget about Allison. Allison's credit score went up 204 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast's link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. But now let's talk about how this affects groceries, gas, travel, and online shopping. Now, grocery stores expect different fees by card level. Premium cards get punished the most. Gas stations, many already charge a credit price. Now they may expand it to tiers of cards. Travel, premium cards cost the most to process. We may see travel agencies pushing debit or basic cards. Restaurants, small restaurants lose big on premium card fees. Declines or surcharges will be most common at restaurants. Online shopping, some websites may add auto fees based on your card's BIN number. Your experience shopping online could change overnight. Last part's the most important. Now let's talk about how to avoid the new fees and awkward declines. Because here's the good news, you can adapt to this. Here's what you need to start doing immediately. Number one, ask your favorite stores what cards they accept now. I know this sounds awkward, but it saves you embarrassment later. Number two, carry at least 2 different card types. Not 2 Visas, not 2 Mastercards, 2 different networks if possible. A great example, Discover, Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. You know, it's funny how people talk so much trash about American Express that it's not accepted everywhere. Well, now it's gonna happen to MasterCard and Visa. Even though I've only experienced it twice in my lifetime that an American Express card got declined because it was American Express, and that was at a small mom and pop restaurant both times. Now 3, don't rely exclusively on premium cards. They're the most likely to get hit with fees. Basic cards may become your daily driver. That's just a cold, hard truth. Number 4 is the biggest one. Check receipts again every time. You'll start seeing new fees appear quietly. Merchants aren't going to tell you about them, even though they should. Some states actually make it illegal that there's supposed to be a sign that tells you exactly what the fee is going to be if you use cash or credit cards. Number 5, spread your card usage. Don't let one single card blow up your budget with hidden surcharges. Number 6, budget more strategically for holidays because expect prices to increase from above fees alone. If you don't understand this now, you're going to lose money without realizing where it went. You'll be confused why your groceries cost more, why your card gets declined at random stores, why restaurants add mysterious little fees, and why your holiday budget explodes, why rewards feel worse than ever, and the worst part, you'll think it's your fault when it's really the system changing behind your back. But when you understand what's happening, you stay ahead of everyone else, you control how you pay, you control how much you lose, you stay protected. This is financial survival in 2025. Now, these are my final thoughts. The settlement is reshaping the entire US payment system. Stores have new freedom, card networks are shifting costs, and rewards are getting targeted. And consumers, people just like you, are caught in the crossfire. But now you know how to prepare, how to avoid extra fees, and how to avoid embarrassing declines, and how to protect your money when the rules of shopping are changing. Stay alert, stay informed, and stay ready, because this is only the beginning. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to comment Visa or MasterCard so I know you made it to the end. And if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here, because it's gonna show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, and it comes with the 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.